Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to select multiple photos at once. You can do this in order to select multiple photos at one time and send make an album, or you wanna send it to the Lightroom and edit your photo by that way. So yeah, it's very simple. Let's follow along and you'll be ready to choose your multiple photos. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. Tap into the app itself, and here all you have to do is press a little bit longer. Suppose let's press this photo a little bit longer, and it literally says one selected. So you want to select like few photos, right? So this you want to select all this. So once it's selected, you can either delete. As you can see, all this photo that I have selected has marked blue, so that means it's selected. So if you want to import, then you can tap in here, import into Lightroom, tap in there. Or if you want to import and add to the Lightroom album, you can do that by tapping here. Or if you want to simply delete it, you can tap in here and delete. So this is how you select multiple photos at once in Lightroom. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.